boy FRXZEN here, and we are heading down to Euromatic to go get our intake installed. Our ARM silicone RAM intake sits right by the coolant tank. Super nice intake. We're gonna go up there to get it installed. It's really cold, so I cannot do it outside. So we're just gonna go to our friend's shop, same person that actually built the motor for this car. So we are going there to get this installed. Should take about 30 minutes, so it shouldn't be a long video. But yeah, you can see the manual. We got the CarPlay. There's the intake right there. But yeah, let's head down to the shop and let's get this thing installed. What's up, guys? So we made it to the shop. Jazz has already started. So you know this is a professional. He already got the intake box out. Probably take me like 15 minutes. But yeah, so far we're getting everything set up. So here's the ARM silicone part of it, right there, billet adapter. So it seems like it is really high quality. They give you a extension for your MAP sensor, it looks like, yeah. So yeah, it should look pretty good. Like I don't want to interrupt Jazz, so basically it's gonna sit right there into the coolant part, which is really good. And like I said, Euromatic is the people that, well, is the person that built this motor. So you can see, look how clean it is down there. This is what you call high quality work. So if you guys do want high quality work, come down to Euromatic. But like I said, he's super quick with it. So yeah, when he gets it installed, I definitely come back to you guys and show you guys what it looks like, what it sounds like, and you know, everything else to do with it. All right, something cool about this not turbo, but intake is that it gotta go right into the turbo itself, which is pretty cool. That means you're gonna get a lot of turbo whistle, a lot of turbo noise. So you guys believe me on this one, this might be the intake to get for your N55 PWG, if you guys want to listen to me. But I'm telling you guys, it's high quality and you guys would probably love the sound. So Jazz was just telling me, so basically if you're doing this at home, the hardest part would probably be getting the clamp on there.
Yeah, clamp.
This clamp right here. So he actually has a special tool, a flexible tool.
We use a screwdriver, but we use a socket instead to grab the bolts from the outside like this, and then it's easy to turn with. So yeah, if you have something like this or access to something like this will make the installation
make it way easier for you.
Yeah.
So a little tech tip for you guys then: definitely get one of those in your little toolboxes.
And you want to put the MAP sensor before you install this.
Okay. MAP sensor in first, which is on your old intake.
The MAP sensor.
The MAP sensor. But yeah, like I said, for Jazz, this is easy work, so he's really quick with it. You guys might take a little bit longer. But like I said, it's definitely going to be worth it in the long run. And yeah, I think honestly, high quality parts again from ARM. They definitely were very thoughtful. Like they send you the extension for your math, so you don't even have to go out and buy one. So that's really good. So they're paying close attention to detail. So yeah. So yeah, if we find anything else more, or we can help you guys more on like installing this intake, we'll definitely add it more into the video. But if I don't, and you see me pop up with it fully installed, you know it's a pretty easy install after that part. All right. All right, one more. Alright guys, so that's it all installed. Looks really cool in there. Really nice. You can see all my diamond plugs here. But yeah, it looks really good. Install, what do you say the difficulty rating out of 10?
I'd say 5.
about a 5 out of 10. Hardest part will definitely be getting the cone filter in there with the pipe.
It's best to actually undo the bolts on the coolant reservoir, and then it gives you a little bit more space to wiggle around.
Yes, so you guys will have to remove this. Like I said, the pipe down here is very difficult to work with because it is such a tight
You want to route
space.
this wire through the cold side of the engine rather than going through the hot side of the engine.
So don't follow the instructions and telling you to bring it this way, bring it around to the front. Same way you see all your wires coming over here, just make it more natural and put it that way. But definitely does look cool, very loud, sounds really nice. So big shout out to ARM for sending me out the intake. I really appreciate it. It is the first N55 in Canada with the N54 crank to have the ARM RAM intake in it in Canada. All right, guys, this is your boy FRXZEN. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Take it easy. Peace.